So I just arrived home now and nobody's in the house, so thank God there's lights. That's one thing I love about this studio. They always have lights, they're always representing. So I have a lot of things to do. I'm talking like this because my teeth is paining me. That teeth is beginning to worsening up. It's beginning to become worse, and it's making me not talk well. And then there is a school going on behind my back, so please ignore all of those. So since nobody is in the house, I think I'll just change up. I'm wearing a trouser, but I'm not very comfortable, so I want to go and change it up right now and put on a skirt and start going to the hairdresser's place. This is my hair, very tattered. I want to go and rebraid it. That's why I was wearing this cap, because it was looking very bad. So I want to go and rebraid my hair. I want to fix my toenails, and then I'll get a press-on nails for my nails, for my fingers, and for my hands. So that's the plan. Let's go to another.
shank. I'm going to wash it out. And before I came back, oh my goodness, I'm so happy that I made delicious food. In fact,
a Kemsy.
Kemsy, the Kemsy.
Kem International.
Kemsy International.
See peace. Nam pontanko. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time I'm coming across my channel, you're welcome. I'm Kemsy, and today this video is going to be my birthday photo shoot video. So the time is currently 6:10, 10 minutes after 6, and we started preparing since 5:30, and my assistant is here. She's trying to do the hair. One of the hairs I'm going to be wearing. So I don't have anything planned for this birthday. It's just going to be a simple, modest, decent, minimal birthday photo shoot. And you would not believe that I didn't know that pictures were this expensive. Like, I know pictures are expensive, but because this place is Uyo, I don't expect it to be as expensive as what I used to hear them collect from Lagos. So I had somebody I was supposed to use, right? But I can't check. The person was not telling me that a picture, an outfit, is going to be 10,000 naira. This is me planning to do like 3 outfits and also snapping with Jenny. So I just changed my mind quickly, and I'm not going to be using that person anymore. So currently I'm going to be using one photographer that Jenny actually used, in hopes that the picture is actually going to come out fine. So I made my hair yesterday because, you know, now I need to make it, and I also made my toenails. This morning all I have to do is get balloons. I want to get a black or gold color balloon because I want to hold balloons, because there's no cake, so I need to hold something. So that is it. I'm trying to prepare now, so see you guys when I'm prepared. If you've not yet subscribed to this channel, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and share it. See you guys later. Let me go and take my bath and also do my makeup. Peace. Look at one of the hairs I'm going to be wearing for this.
I
don't understand. You never snap this one. Snap when you do the bob now. The fringe.
You know, I want my son come out so that I can go.
If lights no dey encore.
Light no dey to do what?
To do the fringe. Shadow a 360. Turn the door. Wow.
So this bob is from our collection.
Wow.
I
know they show you now.
Okay. So this bob is from Labote by Jenny. This is 10 inches bob wig. It's available for
pick up and delivery.
Yes, available for delivery.
The hair available. You
done
the Instagram.
Put our Instagram and do there.
Okay.
Look at now the bob. This is super double jaw with Kim K closure. And it's giving luxury. This is not actually bone straight, so but can you guys see?
Bone straight.
Give me lights. Can you guys see? It's giving what it's supposed to give. Hello. Hey you, who that?
Nobody that.
Who that?
Say nobody that. all right.
Freshly baked.
You again. Now here it's for lamb.
Don't steady am now.
No more.
Let's start. What's your plan?